Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the VOKBOARD Pilot electric skateboard longboard, the extended range version. So the VOKBOARD Pilot electric skateboard is an absolute beast of a board. This is the cheapest belt-driven board that's on the market today. The current price is $599 US. Yes, you heard me, $599 US for a belt-driven electric skateboard. How amazing is that? Now let's just run through some of the specs. So its top speed is 28 miles per hour or 46 kilometers and a range of up to 22 to 25 miles distance or 35 to 40 kilometers. So you can ride and know that you're never gonna run out of battery. It has a precisely calibrated ESC, which makes it so easy to control this board. It has adjustable braking from level 1 to level 4, and the remote and screen just feels absolutely wonderful in your hand. It has been designed to fit your hand so comfortably. It has a high deck for rider comfortability. Flexible yet stable trucks are designed for cruising and carving, and also comes with a 270-day warranty, so you can make your ride worry-free. It is made up of 7 layers of Canadian maple and 1 layer of bamboo, so it gives it that little bit of extra flex. Their donut wheels that I'm currently running on this board are 150mm 70A. These wheels are softer than your average PU wheel, with a wavy texture that provides superior grip and ability to handle bumps and cracks with ease. It also has a push to start. You literally just turn on your remote, push the board, and off you go. The battery capacity is 12 amp hours. It has with a standard 432 watt hours. Charging time is between 5 and 6, and the voltage is 36 volts to 42. Now the rear motors, they're a belt-driven 5055, and their power is 1200 watts. Times that by 2, that's 1200 watts per motor. And the charger that you receive in the box is a 42 volt charger. And guys, it is so good to ride. Like, it feels absolutely amazing. Just carving it up down here at the Gold Coast. Like, I'm so impressed with this board, and the price, that's the best part. For a belt-driven motor electric skateboard, it is absolutely just amazing for the quality that you're getting for the price. With ease, it will carve on the grass as well. How cool is that? This board is absolutely amazing, belt-driven, cheapest on the market, and it is off-road. All right, now we're going to do a bit of a speed test. We're here on the bridge at Gold Coast. Let's see how we go. It's a bit of an uphill climb, but I've got the GPS on the X3 to give us an idea. Don't think I'll hit max, but let's give it a crack. It's got so much power to it. We've got a bump. It's currently saying we're doing it 33, 35. It's holding nice, no speed wobbles. 37 on the remote, big bump here. Whee, all right, I think I'll back off there. But wow, that was cool. That had so much speed up on it, especially on such a cheap board. If you're looking for a board that has excellent performance, top line speed, and a smooth control, then the Pilot board is just right for you. With the ability to switch to bigger wheels and upgrade the battery, it enables you to explore the fun of electric skateboards under $600. It is truly the king of value. Guys, the best part about owning a VOKBOARD is that they send out weekly vlogs on tips and tricks on how to ride it. Like, what other company is doing that at the moment? I don't even know any other company that's doing that, but that is just so cool, and thank you to VOKBOARD. All right guys, VOKBOARD Pilot, it's a must-have. Cheapest belt-driven board on the market. I absolutely loved it. It's such a great board to ride. If you want to pick one up, there'll be a link below. Use that link, and I tell you, $599 US. I'll have links for everything else down below that I use, so if you want to pick something up, please do so. If you'd like to collab with me, my contact details will be there as well. Send me an email, happy to talk. Don't forget to like and subscribe hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. I've got some doozies coming up. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin out.